evening, class. Welcome to your ESL. We are going to start tonight, and I know that all of you have your laptops on and you have logged in Google Classroom, so we're going to start. In the last couple of days, we have been learning about how to use Google Classroom, right? And I know that we watched the tutorial and we were able to learn how to create our account. I gave you the codes and now we are ready. So you are looking at this screen, each of you, and we're going to start our class tonight with what you see here on the screen, okay? As we talked about before, the class for tonight is going to be at the grocery store, and we're going to learn how to go to the store and buy 1 gallon of whole milk. It is a good practice. It is a good practice, and all of you are going to learn how to ask, where to go, what to buy, and then of course we're going to have some tasks at the end where you are going to report what you did. And we're going to do a lot of practice in this class, so it's going to be really fun, okay? So what I need you to start first is we explored our screen, remember? And we learned how to navigate on Google Classroom. And you're going to be able to see the tutorials. You're going to be able to see all the materials that we have for this class. You are going to be able to print your vocabulary lists that are included here. And then we're going to practice, we're going to listen, and we're going to look at some images for some exercises that we're going to do. And then you're going to create your own task that I am going to tell you what it's all about. And then, as I told you just at the beginning of the class, we are going to continue with some homework. So let me put my screen back on, and then we're going to start, okay? Okay, I'm gonna move out of the screen so you can see, but what I want you to do right now is you are going to go to, you remember this one? This is what we did. We watched the tutorial on how to use Google Classroom, and now we're gonna open our grocery store vocabulary. So please, all of you, open this document. As I told you before, you have the option to print, which is over here on the top right corner. And these are all the words that we're gonna learn in our class regarding what we're gonna do at the grocery store to buy our gallon of milk, okay? And then what I need you to do is you're gonna print this one, you're gonna take it home, and you are going to try to distinguish and learn all these words that we're gonna be learning, okay? Now, once we practice our vocabulary, we have also some questions that you can open. And as you can see, it's another list. You're gonna print it also because you're gonna take this home with you to study. And we have the questions that you, the students, are going to ask an employee when you go to the store. And then the questions that the employee will ask you depending on what is it that you want to do when you are in the store. So all these we're gonna have print it. You're gonna take it home. We're gonna study that, okay? And then I have another list of I'm sorry, I have a dialogue. So if you can see it also on your screens, we have a dialogue that we are going to practice. And this is when we get to the store, how we're going to ask for help, and how we are going to accomplish our task, which is buy 1 gallon of milk. Okay? So this one, I want you to also print it, please. And we're gonna work with that dialogue, okay? Now, once we have that dialogue that all of you are going to print, we are going to practice this. And what we're gonna do is we're going to create some pairs, and I'll tell you in a second how we're gonna do this, okay? Okay, so here I am again. So what I want you to do is work in pairs. Now we took our dialogues from the printer, and you're gonna work together. And then one person is going to be the customer, one person is going to be the employee, and then we're gonna start asking questions. And I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna listen and see what is it that you are struggling with, or if you are doing an excellent job, which I'm sure all of you are doing an excellent job, okay? So let's do that. Let's start. I'm gonna leave this screen on, and I'll walk around and I'll see how you're doing, okay? Okay, let's pay attention here. You did excellent. I walk around, you practice your dialogues. I know that it's a lot. There's lots of questions, lots of things that you needed to learn. You used also your vocabulary list. So now you know the things that you need to know when you ask, and you can picture in your minds what is it that you need to ask, and what are you looking for when you go to the store. Now, while I was walking around, I put some flashcards, like the ones that you're seeing just right now on the screen. And these are for each of you to keep. Those are yours. And what we're gonna do is, some people have the picture, okay? Some of you have a flashcard with the picture, and some of you have a flashcard with the word. So what we're gonna do right now is, you are going to look for the person that matches your card, okay? So I want you to all get up, start moving around the classroom, and you are going to look for your person, the one that has either the picture or the word, and then you're gonna be all together, okay? It is a good exercise and it's fun. It's going to help you improve your knowledge and your vocabulary, and you will remember that because you are seeing and relating it to the word, okay? So please get up, start practicing, and then we'll come back to the class. I'll walk around again, and I'm gonna see how you're doing, okay? Okay, excellent. So we practice, and now it's time for you to do your first assignment, okay? And if you go to your screens, you're gonna see what I'm asking for. You're gonna create your own dialogue. And then tomorrow, we're gonna practice that dialogue here. So you're gonna use as a guidance your images, your flashcards, your vocabulary list, and the example that we had with the dialogue. And then tomorrow, we're gonna do again some practice, and I'm gonna review this. You're gonna submit your assignment, okay? So I wish you good luck and have a good night. Thank you.